Here, I'm a pharmacist in profession. For now, currently, I'm still a pharmacist, consultant pharmacist, and I'm entrepreneur. And I'm the owner of four businesses in Bacolod. So when I started For Life, I went into job hopping. So when I graduated as pharma, I went straight to the pharmaceutical field. So different kinds of pharmaceutical field, butika, glorified tindera sa butika, manufacturing pharmacist, distributor pharmacist, college professor, every year yan, pabalik-balik, and import regulatory pharmacist. So I went straight that 10 to 15 years doing my profession until my life twist. My life twist because of family setbacks. So, tumatanda yung parents ko, they went into sickness. So, my dad died on cancer, and when the doctor said you need 500,000 on chemo, wala ako nun, that time. Yung pera ko, 500 lang. So, 500,000 is way back, straight na ganon. So, I became just a breadwinner of my family. So, what I will do when my salary in hospital is 9,500 only, di ba? Pang jeep ko lang, pang kain. So, what will I do? Since nasa hospital ako, umuutang ako sa hospital pang chemo. And I do a lot of things outside my profession. Every week, 16 hours a day. I've been in full-time pharmacist, I've been in event planner, coordinator, souvenir designer, travel agent. Yun. And as a full-time For Life affiliate, this is way back. It is not a shortcut process. Sometimes, gusto natin instant sa buhay, di ba? Gusto nga, in the next day, may 500,000 agad ako. Pero hindi nangyari. Di ba? So, lahat tayo, palaging instant. But you know what? I'm here in For Life for 8 long years. 8 long years. Why andito pa rin ako? Because I have a dream. I have a dream when Sir AA present to me a plan. I have a 5-year dream on myself. So, this is the first process. I continue my profession as a pharmacist in educating people on prevention and wellness. So I help a lot of people continuing how the product works. And the second process is embrace every rejection as a part of redirection. Sometimes they call it, gusto ko nang sumuko. And wala na akong pasensya. Grabe yung mga rejection ko everyday. As I present, kahit pharmacist ako, nare-reject ako. Yung professional pride ko bumababa. But I embrace that. Why? I continue that. Because I will build my team. So building a team is a part of patient effort, determination. Until my third process, celebrate small wins that can lead to victories. Sometimes small wins, you cannot appreciate. Every battle I sell, I celebrate. Every battle. Every person who come on my team, who came on my team, I celebrate. So everyone on my team, we celebrate. So, this is my dream. Diba? Nung third degree malnourished until the reality. I became the bronze elite. Diba? Then, when I came to For Life, way back 2015, I make a dream board. This is my dream board 2015. This is a lot. This is very big. So, and my third year, wow. I built my one dream board, my dream house. And also my time freedom. I work 16 hours way back every day to get some money. But in For Life, I have time freedom to travel the world. So I travel a lot. I went Hong Kong, Macau, Vietnam, Netherlands, Singapore, Europe, Dubai, Korea. Ay, hindi ko na no, kung saan ho. So I've been a jet setter for the last years in Denmark, Austria. So I fly back 15 hours, 13 hours, 7 hours, 1 hour. And that's a time freedom for life gave to me. Then my career life balance. I can work anywhere. You can work in your phone. You can work at your laptop. You can work in Davao. I can work in Bacolod, in Manila, in other parts of time zone. And that's my dream. And then this dream board, after 3 years. And then, so I never give up. Hindi ako nakontento on that because what my Sir AA said, 5 years. So great things take time. And building more properties in Bacolod. So hindi ako magasto na tao, but magasto ako. When it comes to my business, I build more. And because of For Life, I built this company. I built 4 companies that employed 50 to 100 people in a span of 8 years. So this is all my employees. They work with me every single day, and I work with them online, even in my time zone outside. And creating this dream board for the past 8 years fulfilled. So my dream board for now is to help other people duplicate their dreams towards me. So, my 4th process is fulfillment, and my heart and purpose is to give back to my community. I create my Passion Foundation together with my affiliates and employees to give back every December to kids and every calamity happenings in Negros and in Bacolod. So this is because For Life creates service. So, in my core values here in For Life, tuloy-tuloy lang pangarap. So sometimes, it's not about the end of the destination, it's about enjoying the journey. So huwag kayong mainip because right timing comes, di ba, on the right dream and your right purpose, God puts you in. So tuloy-tuloy lang ang pangarap, and because of that, thank you to all my mentors here. Hindi ako pinabayaan. So palagi ako kahit magalit kayo, okay lang. And all the corporates, and of course, For Life, for being a vehicle to all my dreams. And I think until on my senior years, I will share For Life around the world. So thank you very much.